Hey, what's up guys? It's JC, and guess what? So one of our kids is super into Star Wars. In fact, he loves Kylo Ren. His name's Zane. And one of our medical staff heard about that. So she went over to the Star Wars people and begged, got down on her knees, and basically said, I'm not leaving until you guys let Zane become a Jedi. And they're gonna let him join the Jedi training. So he's training right now, and he's getting ready to go battle with Darth Vader and also Kylo Ren. So let's see how he does. Zane, you just got done with your Jedi training. How was it?
Good.
Were you scared at all?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm not.
Is it maybe because you're a big fan of Kylo Ren and you want to join the dark side?
I don't want to join the dark side.
You want to go fight Darth Vader again?
Probably.
Let me know how it goes. If you need help, I'll join in. But I'll be right here. All right, bye, bro.